What if I told you that bleach, the product millions of people reach for instinctively when they want something truly clean and disinfected, is fundamentally misunderstood, commonly misused in ways that make it completely ineffective, and in many situations actively working against the clean result you're trying to achieve? What if the belief that bleach is a great all-purpose cleaner is one of the most widespread and consequential myths in household cleaning? I researched the actual chemistry and microbiology behind bleach, and what science actually says will completely change how you think about this product. Stay with me, because this is genuinely important. The bleach assumption we all share. Bleach holds a special psychological position in most households. It represents the ultimate cleaning authority. When something needs to be truly, seriously clean, when germs need to be eliminated without question, when stains seem impossible, people reach for bleach. It smells powerful and chemical in a way that feels reassuring. That overwhelming chlorine smell signals that something serious is happening, that bacteria don't stand a chance, that whatever you're cleaning is being thoroughly dealt with. This psychological relationship with bleach runs deep. Parents use it on children's surfaces wanting maximum safety. People use it after illness to make sure everything is disinfected. Restaurants use it assuming maximum sanitation. It's poured, sprayed, and wiped across surfaces throughout homes daily with complete confidence. But here's the question nobody asks while they're doing this. Is any of it actually working the way we believe? Is bleach performing the role we've assigned it in our cleaning routines? The scientific answers to these questions are not what most people expect. Before I reveal what science actually says about bleach versus the myth of bleach as an all-purpose cleaner, if you use bleach regularly in your home and assume it's providing the protection you think it is, hit that like button right now. And if you want science-based truth over comfortable assumptions, subscribe and turn on notifications. Because what I'm about to share changes everything. Let's get into it. Myth 1. Bleach cleans and disinfects. This is the foundational myth. Bleach does not clean. This sounds shocking but is chemically precise. Cleaning means removing dirt, grease, and debris from a surface. Disinfecting means killing microorganisms on a surface. These are two completely different processes requiring different chemistry. Bleach is a disinfectant through its oxidizing action on microbial cells. It has virtually no cleaning ability whatsoever. Zero degreasing capability. No ability to remove dirt or grime. Here's why this distinction matters enormously. When you spray bleach on a dirty surface, the dirt and organic matter present actually deactivates the bleach before it can kill any microorganisms. The bleach reacts with the dirt rather than with bacteria. A surface that appears cleaned with bleach, but wasn't cleaned first with actual cleaning products, may have been neither cleaned nor effectively disinfected. Myth 2. More bleach equals better disinfection. This myth has a certain intuitive logic that makes it persistent. If some bleach kills germs, surely more bleach kills them better. People pour undiluted bleach on surfaces, assuming concentration equals effectiveness. This is completely wrong according to microbiological science. Proper bleach disinfection requires specific dilutions. Myth 3. Bleach works instantly. Another widespread misunderstanding. Bleach requires significant contact time to actually kill microorganisms. Most people spray bleach, wipe immediately, and consider the surface disinfected. This provides virtually no disinfection benefit. Myth 4. Bleach is safe for all surfaces. Bleach causes significant damage to many common household surfaces with repeated use. It etches stainless steel, degrades rubber seals and gaskets, discolors colored grout, damages fabric, and deteriorates certain plastics over time. What bleach is actually good for? To be completely fair, bleach does have legitimate, specific applications where it's genuinely the best choice. There you have it. Myth completely busted. Bleach doesn't clean. It requires proper dilution, needs significant contact time, and damages many surfaces. It's a specific use disinfectant, not an all-purpose cleaner. If science just changed how you think about bleach, smash that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications for more myth-busting cleaning science every week. Share with anyone confidently misusing bleach throughout their home. Comment which bleach myth surprised you most. I'll see you next time. Until then, understand what your products actually do, use them correctly for specific purposes, and clean based on science rather than assumption.